Hello, is that Mr. Cahill?
Yeah, speaking.
Hey mate, do you have an immobilisation licence from the SIA?
What's that, sorry?
Do you have an immobilisation licence from the SIA?
No, we don't need one. I keep telling you that.
No, you do. No, mate, you do. I think if you read online, you'll find that you need to be. Are you authorised? Are you authorised by? Is your company authorised by the SIA?
We don't need to be. We're basically certificated bailiffs.
It doesn't matter. You still need an immobilisation licence, mate. I think if you check it up online, you're committing an offence.
We're not.
No, you do.
100% guarantee. We're actually coming over to see you now, anyway.
Oh, nice.
Are you there?
I'm not there. No, I'm here.
Are you not at the house now?
No, I'm here, mate. Have you got an immobilisation licence?
No, we don't need one.
No, you do, mate.
We don't.
You obviously don't.
Someone just showed information to the police.
It's all right. We'll just get you done for theft. It's easier that way, mate, because you haven't got an immobilisation licence. You're not authorised by the SIA to. You're not licensed.
We don't need to be because.
Of course you do. Of course you do, mate. Read it. Go on the SIA. Listen, instead of arguing with me, yeah. Get a bit of Google up on your phone, yeah, right, and go on the SIA.
There's a difference between certificated bailiff and SIA licensed people.
Yeah.
Certificated bailiffs do not need to be authorised by the SIA licence.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do.
And the certificated bailiff, which has been certified by the judge at a county court.
So does that mean you're exempt then? Does that make you exempt? I don't think so, mate. Is your company authorised to immobilise vehicles?
Yes, because...
Right, what's your immobilisation licence number then? Give us your immobilisation licence number.
You don't need an immobilisation.
Of course you do. Of course you do. It doesn't matter. Mate, right, go on the SIA, have a little read, and then come back to me.
I'm not going to get into an argument about what I need. I know what I can do and what I can't do.
And I know what you can and can't do. And you can't clamp a vehicle without an SIA immobilisation licence. Or unless your company is authorised.
We can clamp vehicles.
Right, so what, you just suddenly, you're God, are you?
No.
Right then. So, you're not exempt from the law.
Where's it going?
Well, we're not going to get some chargement, are we?
Listen, the bailiff response team's on its way.
We're going to clamp you.
And we're going to come... We're going to come and clamp you, mate.
You come and clamp me if you want to.
I'm coming to clamp you now.
There's a difference between...
I'm coming to clamp you now. Have you heard of the bailiff response team?
Pardon?
Have you heard of the bailiff response team?
No, I've never heard of a bailiff response team, no.
I suggest you get on YouTube and you look at Stand for Common Law, mate, and you'll see.
What time are you going down there, mate?
He's on his way now.
Right, no problem.
No, what time are you going round there?
Well, I'm not too sure what time we're going round there.
Because what we're going to do, listen, what we're going to do, we're going to take your clamp off, I'm going to put it on your van, and we'll put it on your van, how's that?
The minute you take my clamp off, if you cause any damage to it, then...
We won't damage it, we know, mate, listen, it won't be, we won't make a criminal damage, all we'll do is take it off. We won't.
You weren't Malfa this morning, were you?
Wait.
You were doing the keys or something to take your vehicle this morning.
This is the beat the bailiff response team. This is nothing to do with him. We're helping him, so we're going to help him clamp your van. We are going to clamp. We're going to take your clamp off, right? Listen. We're going to take your clamp off and clamp your vehicle if you turn up. So I suggest you either remove the clamp or we remove the clamp for you. If you don't remove the clamp, we're going to get your clamp. We'll take the clamp off and we're going to clamp it to something and we're going to padlock it up and we're going to put a notice on it for you to pay to get your property back. How's that?
And then what we will do is just notify the police.
Good, you notify the police because the police have been informed. The police know exactly what we're doing.
Okay, no problem.
The police know exactly what we're doing.
Oh, that's it. We don't need to talk then, do we?
No, not really.
What time are you going?
All right, bye.
What time are you going? Shitbag.
That's how we deal with bailiffs anyway. Bailiffs have no power, losing it by the hour. It's illegal and unlawful to clamp a vehicle, especially on private property or on a public highway. Enough said.